Hey, this is Brandon Allen. I'm the creator of the Strategic Business Forum. And if you're like me, you like to hear things out loud, you like to watch videos to get information. So I wanted to put this quick video together just to give you an overview of what we're going to talk about at the Building Winning Teams workshop on September 15th and 16th. We're going to start with your vision, and we're going to figure out what does the future hold for your team and what team needs do you have. And as we build out the vision and what the team is going to look like in the future, we're going to talk about how that serves your mission, your values, how that helps you to build culture, all those good things that are foundational elements of your business. Now, as we go beyond that, we look at what are all the other aspects of building winning teams that are important to every single business owner and leader that I work with. And the first one is, how do we attract talent? How do we write ads? How do we interview candidates well? How do we onboard in a powerful way? We're going to talk about training. We're going to talk about personal development, all the different tools that we use to help people create their role, to understand their role, to understand more about their goals, their desires, their hopes. We're going to get into all of those things as we get into that. And the last thing that we're going to talk about is connection and how to connect well with our team so that they are engaged and inspired to do great work for us. So this is going to be a fantastic workshop. It's going to be chock full of content that will help you to be a better team builder. And when you're a better team builder, you now have a more empowered team. And my thought on empowered teams is that empowered teams creates freedom for the leader. So if you want more freedom in your leadership, empowered teams is the key. But when we have empowered teams, now they're creating more value for our customers, they're creating more value for our team members, and because of that, the business grows as well. So if you're looking for growth and you're looking for freedom, building winning teams and the principles and the building blocks that we're going to discuss in that workshop is going to get you there in a lot quicker manner. So I hope to see you there. Make sure you register. It's not too late. We're doing it virtually. We're doing it in person. So make sure you get your spot now. And I hope to see you here real soon. Take care.